Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make this fusilli with spinach and some sun-dried tomatoes. So let's go ahead and begin. So over here, as you can see, I already have all of the ingredients out. We are making, they didn't have any fusilli pasta, so I got rotini pasta. So here's the pasta, the sun-dried tomatoes, some garlic, spinach, and olive oil. So first thing we're going to do is cook the pasta. So to the pan, I added 6 tablespoons of olive oil. And now to this olive oil, we're going to add in the minced garlic. I am doubling this recipe, so I'm going to be using more of the ingredients than it really calls for. Then it says to add in the sun-dried tomatoes. I love sun-dried tomatoes. And it says how many sun-dried tomatoes? We'll wing it. So now we cook the sun-dried tomatoes and the garlic for about 2 minutes. Then we add in the spinach. The oven on warm, I have this everything bread kind of warming up to have with dinner. for the bread that's in the oven, I like to make this little mixture of some olive oil. And then I put in some of this seasoning. Put in a little bit of this garlic. And a tiny little bit of some salt. Make it a fork. Mix this together. And then when the bread is done, we get the bread in here. I'm going to make another one of these little olive oil mixtures. So here we go, some olive oil. I'm going to put one at each end of the table. A little bit of the garlic, or a lot of the garlic. We here love garlic, so I kind of put a lot. Some salt, very little bit of salt. Some pepper. The bread dipping seasoning, which probably already has everything I just poured in there. And one thing that I forgot, and I poured after I turned off the camera, is that I put a drop of balsamic vinegar in the mixture, and it just gives it this really delicious tangy flavor when you put the bread in there. And get another fork so I can mix this around. And there you have it, my bread dipping or olive oil sauce. Let me know if you guys make this and if you like it. So now the way we finish up this dish, so I'm going to pour in the pasta back into that same pot. And then I'm going to pour all of this yumminess in here and mix it in. And I may need a little bit more of all of this. So I may just make another batch of the spinach and the sun-dried tomatoes. And pour in some more in here. Not a whole lot. Alright, so let me make the mixture again. Okay, so it's some garlic. A little bit of olive oil, because I realized that the sun-dried tomatoes have oil also. So we're going to do some more sun-dried tomatoes. So guys, dinner is done. It's a very easy peasy, delicious and colorful meal. to make. So like I said before, I'm going to include the recipe down below for those of you who would like to make it. And that is going to end this vlog. So if you guys already know me, you know what I'm going to say. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next cooking video. Bye guys!